Hello everybody, so I'm gonna show you this application that I've built for the ADRHGraph hackathon. I'm gonna start off with a little bit of context. We all know that being active and fit is essential to our mental and physical well-being. During this COVID-19 pandemic, it is difficult to get motivated and get in shape outside. What if we could address this issue by creating a system that rewards people for taking care of themselves? This is why I have built Tree Runners, a running system on ADRHGraph that rewards people with tokens depending on their performance. This will actually gamify their experiences, and with the earned token, they will be able to buy different types of goods. But you might ask, how do I track the performance of the participants? So the participant will have to wear a device that records their performances during the running. This was pretty challenging to build a device in such a short period of time, but I was really satisfied with the result. The device can be broken down into three parts. The main part being the microcontroller that will process and store the information. The second one is the 3-axis accelerometer that will record the motion of the user. And the last one is the display that will show off some information. So here you can see the user account ID associated with the device. And now we are going to do some testing. In this trial, the device is counting the steps of the user. With that, we'll be able to estimate the overall running distance. Now going back to the registration process, this is the workflow that a user will do to be able to register. So here, the user has to pick an avatar and provide all of this information. Now this is the account creation process where the user will have to write down his wallet information. Information such as mnemonic and account ID will have to be written down by the user in order to have access to the rewards. The final step is to connect the device to the application in order to set the account ID. Alright, we are all set. We can now head over to the leaderboard to see that we are among the participants. Here we can see that the user has been registered and been credited with a 1000 initial amount of ONCE token. We can monitor the user account information using the Kabuto Explorer. Here we are using the memo field of the transaction to store user information. We can also see the token transfer from the treasury account to the user account. In addition to the fungible token, there is also a non-fungible token, also called NFT, that are used to reward users. 3 kinds of NFTs have been issued, representing gold, silver, and bronze medals. They are unique, and you can see the token owner using the Kabuto Explorer. Now we are going to see how to register the performance after doing some activities. So now what you have to do is to connect the device to the application in order to be able to register your performance. Awesome, the performance has been retrieved from the device. Now we can submit it. The user will be rewarded in ONCE token on a 1-to-1 ratio with the performance. The user will be able to use the rewards to buy different kinds of goods. So here we have the marketplace with a list of different goods. Obviously this is fake items, but this is just to represent how it will be in the future. The user will be able to pay with its smartphone using the QR code. Here I use HBAR token instead of ONCE token because I needed to have a price reference, so I use the CoinGecko API to do so. Finally, you can find the source code of the whole project on GitHub. So I really hope you had a great time watching this video and that you enjoyed this project. I'm looking forward to hearing from you.